Happy birthday! Sis Merry Christmas. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, happy golden birthday. Ayan, pinaghandan pa natin. Ayun, nagsuot pa tayo ng yellow para sa iyong kaarawan dahil 50 na ikaw, kagaya ko. So, ayan, all the best sa'yo at maraming salamat at sa nagkakilala tayo, naging magkaibigan. Sana patuloy natin yung ating magandang samahan. Ayan. Congratulations at all the best. Sana ay magkaroon ka ng matupad lahat ng iyong mga pangarap. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday to you, girl. A million words to say. All I can say is that I wish you all the best. Happy 50th or golden birthday. Peekaboo!
Happy birthday, Marie Chris! Pagod pa si nanay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ano? Masaya ka na? Nadagdagan na naman yung edad mo. Enjoy your day. Sana hindi ka magbago. Sana lagi kang masaya. Kahit walang love life. Enjoy lang sa birthday mo, ha? Ganyan lang. Ganyan ang buhay OFW. Kahit pagod na pagod. Laban lang. Happy birthday. God bless. Sinasabi ko nga, salamat sa lahat ng mga naitutulong mo sa akin. Salamat sa pag-intindi mo sa akin. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Ingat palagi. Yun lang. Basta, happy birthday. I love you. Love you, Chris. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi, Marie Chris! Happy birthday to you! More birthday and more blessing to your family!
Happy birthday, Marie Chris. More birthdays to come and more blessings and good luck and God help. God bless you. Thank you. See you.
Thank you!
Hi, March Chris. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come and good health always. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. And thank you sa friendship natin for more than decades already. Yan lang. Thank you.
Be, kantahan na lang kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Be. Enjoy your day. God bless. And thank you for the friendship. Sana hindi ka magbago. Love you. God bless. Bye.
Birthday, Marie Chris. I love you. Have a good health always. Alam mo ba, nung una pa lang kayo nakita, na-feel ko talaga na magaan ang loob ko sa inyo. Si Dance at saka si Rose. At naalala ko talaga yung effort nyo nung nag-birthday nila ako. Grabe, appreciated talaga. Kaya magaan talaga ang loob ko sa inyong tatlo. Maraming salamat at lagi kang mag-iingat. I love you. Happy birthday to you, Marie Chris. Stay what you are. Still pretty. I love you. Mwah.
Hi, Sis Chris. Happy birthday. Hoping all your birthday wishes will do come true. God bless. Stay ready. Stay happy. And more blessings to come. I love you.
Hello, Ate Chris. Cheers to another amazing years for your birthday again. Happy birthday, Ate Chris. As a friend and as ate, that
always there for me, na nandyan parate, na nag-a-advise.
Hi Sis Marie Chris, happy birthday po. I wish you good health and good health ng family mo, at saka sana marami pang blessings na dumating sa buhay mo and more happiness in life. Okay? And stay sweet as you are, and thank you for being a good friend. At maraming salamat, nakilala kita bilang kaibigan. And basta enjoy your day, okay? Bawal lagi stress. At saka stay beautiful inside and out. O diba? God bless. Love you, sis. Enjoy your day. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Chris. I wish you all the best. I hope all your wishes will come true. And stay healthy and beautiful. God bless po. Thank you.
Birthday. Hoping for the best on your special day. God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Hi, Be. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Sana wag kang magbago at panatiling palaging maganda ang kalooban. Salamat sa friendship natin. Alam mo, hindi ako sanay mag-video talaga sa mga birthday greeting. Mas gusto ko kasi sa personal ako bumabati. Pasensya ka na kung medyo haggard kasi sobrang busy ko talaga ngayon. Gawa ng may bisita kami. But anyway, happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi and we love you, bebe.
Happiest birthday, Jowa. I truly wish that you are blessed with all the happiness, health, joy, and prosperity in life. Wish you many returns of the day. Be strong always and stay who you are. God bless.